Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this USB-C docking station stand for my laptop. If you look, I do have a stand on it now, and then I have this hub hooked up to it, and I got all sorts of junk plugged into it. It is just a mess. This thing here should solve all my problems with all of that. So let's check this out here. Let me put all this stuff away. Let's open this hub up. Oh, it's got a little magnet close in there. It's funny. Okay. And then this is it here, and I'm going to guess this is probably power. Yes, let's see. So this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so let's check this device out here. So look at this. So this, oh man, this has got everything. Okay, so it's got a micro SD card, is that what it is here? A regular SD card, USB 3, gigabit Ethernet, which is nice, so it has a Ethernet built into it. HDMI, I guess that's power, and then that's USB-C. So this can help solve all of my issues here with my laptop. So I'm gonna go and put my laptop into this device here. I have to take everything down here. I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a second once I get it all set up and good. Okay, let's show you guys what I have here. I want to show you how I set this all up. Is there anything on here that I need to worry about? No, I don't know. Okay, but you can see here I have the, I have things hooked up to it. So I got rid of my other little hub, and I have it facing out right now. I think I'm going to turn it around so it faces in the back, so you don't have to see all the ports because everything's all plugged in. I have my phone connected up. This is the one that's getting power from the laptop. This is the HDMI, which obviously works because it's my monitor just turned on. I don't have an Ethernet here. I have a wireless network. And then this is, I don't even know what this is. I think this is powering these weird little lights here is what it's doing. So how cool is that? So I'm going to have the hub here, and I can probably get rid of my little hub that I have on the other side too, and just have everything coming out of this. So, because I even have another USB port for charging my iPad or whatever. So how cool is that? So this is going to be a nice little replacement. And my laptop, I have a MacBook Pro with, actually it even has a case of its own on it, and it fit on there just amazingly perfect. So it sits up there, oh, great. So I'm going to say this is a thumbs up from me on this little docking station here. So let me show you it. There's my old one. And this is it here. It's QUUGE, USB-C docking station stand. And so pick up one of these, and then you have a nice clean desk. So I'm going to get these wires all turned around, and it'll be behind there. No one will ever see it. Thumbs up.